my name is Parth, and today I'll be teaching you Python. To learn Python, we have to first install PyCharm and Python itself. I've already installed them, and I assume you know how to. The download links are in the description. So let's begin coding. In order to start learning Python, we have to first make a new file. So to make a new file, we have to right-click, New, Python file, and we're going to name it Hello World. Now in this file, we can write print quotes, any would do, small or double quotes, and hello world. What this does is print hello world to the terminal, which I will show you by clicking run. Over here, you can see that it says hello world. This is how we print in Python. Next, let's learn how to make variables. To make variables in Python, we can simply just type, let's say our variable is x. We can type x equals to whatever we want on this side. But remember, when you're typing letters, you always have to use quotes, single quotes, or double quotes. So let's name x to be your name. Obviously, you're going to replace that with your name, okay? So with this variable set, we can print the same thing, but this time without quotes because it's not letters, it's variables, and we can print x. Let's see what that does. So it says, hello world, your name. Your name's going to be here. So this is how we set variables in Python. Now we're going to do something cool. We're going to make it say, hello, your name. I can replace my name to my name. So to do that, we have to first take the print above off, and you can see that it says print x, so it's just gonna say my name. Now we want to write hello, but that's not gonna work. In order for it to work, we have to place double quotes or single quotes around the variable, around the string, and concatenate it with a plus. Now it will say hello Parth. You can see that there's no spacings here. That's because we didn't add a spacing here. So if we just simply press space, it should show hello Parth. That's how we can mix variables with strings in a print statement. I have an easier way to do that too. Over here, we can just simply remove x and the plus sign, and we can make and put a F in front of this quotes. So that will make this string a formatted string. In these formatted strings, you can simply type curly braces and then the variable and then close the curly braces. Now, this looks much neater. Plus, it returns the same thing. That's another way you can use variables in strings. Now, let's move on to make maths with Python. Now, don't worry, it's not the kind of maths you do at school. It's fairly easy because the computer is doing it. So, you might know the for operators in Python. So, to divide, we have to type a slash. It's not backslash, a forward slash. So, if we type slash, this is divide. So, for example, we can do 3 divided by 3. It'll give us a 1. So, Another operator is plus. That's fairly simple to explain. If we do 3 plus 3, we get 6. And Python literally can run that, just like that. Another one we have is minus. So what minus does is what minus usually does. So it subtracts the values. So let's say 3 minus 3. That will give us a 1. No, bad maths. That will give us a 0. And the last one we have is multiplication. Now, multiplication is not just an X or a capital X. We call it the star because it looks like one. So this is multiplication, and this can be done the same thing as everything else. So 3 times 3, which would give us 9. Simple.